Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Amoda tea subscription. You should take their subscription or not. They are legit brand or it's just another waste of money product, or they are a very waste of money tea service provider. Okay, so basically if we talk about this brand, Amoda tea is a very popular brand. Okay, and they are approx 18 years from now. Okay, so they are providing tea related services, tea related products from a long period of time. Okay, so if we talk about like their subscription, they have a subscription plan also, and they have only monthly plans also. You can choose one time purchase or you can choose monthly plan subscription. So when you select their subscription, you will see like in the subscription box what you will get. You will get 4 premium teas. It means 4 type of teas, and each monthly pack, each monthly box, you will get 16 to 18 cups of tea. Okay, and 10 biodegradable tea filters and taste notes, stepping guides, and collecting tea postcards collectible. And when you use these postcard, you will get 20% off on site wide. When you purchase any product on their website, you will get 20% off when you use their postcards. Okay, so basically if we talk about like subscription, yes, these kind of subscriptions are very common, and they are also providing this subscription. The costing is $22, and in the $22 you will get 16 to 18 cups. So it means the costing for 1 cup tea is approx $1.50 approx, something like this. Okay, so if you have so much money and if you can afford, then you can take monthly tea subscription. If you want to take a long subscription, then you can take 6 month subscription. The costing you can see, and all are prepaid. This is also prepaid, and this is for demo purpose. Okay, so basically in my conclusion, you should take first of all monthly subscription. Why? Because their teas are totally, you can say, like very unique tea they are providing right now. So like berry explosion and blueberry cream Carly. So these kind of teas are really, you can say, like very good in taste, but some of them maybe you will like the tea, maybe you will not like the tea. So you can take only for one month subscription, and if you like their teas, then you can continue. Okay, then you can take like 6 month subscription or 12 month subscription. Okay, so after making a lots of research, we can say 100% the brand is looking good, and you can take their subscription and you can get the benefits. Okay, so this is the thing, and you can also see like these are the subscription prices, and you can choose your subscription, and you can also customize your subscription, which type of tea you want to add. You can also customize your box according to your need and according to your quantity. Okay, so how much money box you need, and how much you can say like how much type of tea you want to add, you can also customize. So there are lots of options. Okay, so this is the thing, brand is good, each and everything is good, rating is also good, so each and everything is looking good. So if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, and if you have any experience also, you can also make a comment. So I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.